Hi everyone, I'm Jacob. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm actually here with Bill from Jagged X. He's gonna show us how to install your overhead bracket on your Turbo R or Pro XP. Note this does work for the 2-door and 4-door versions, so let's get right into it.
As far as tools, you're gonna need a Torx 40 and a 13mm wrench or socket, and possibly a friend. Starting on one side of the car, go ahead and remove the 2 bolts right here and here. Note there was a rubber washer in between the bolt and the roof. Put that to the side for now. Open up your box and grab your brackets. Take a look at the angle of the bracket. There is a bend about 80% of the way down. The 80% side should be facing forward, and the light mount will reach the outside of the vehicle. Take the rubber washer and place it under the bracket above the roof. Now guide your bolt through the bracket into the roof into its original position. Tighten down until snug. Careful not to over tighten here. Repeat this process on the other side, remembering to place the rubber washer between the bracket and the roof. Now head back and unwrap your Pro6, and grab a friend to help with the next part. You can do this alone, but it's way easier with an extra set of hands. Loosen the bolt on either side of the bar so you can squeeze the bolt with the washers on the outside of the slotted channel. Wait until nighttime before aiming the light. When aiming on a UTV, it's best to aim it more down than you think, as the front end will rise heavily under acceleration. Look for a sweet spot. Go ahead and attach the included bump stop to the rear of the light bar. We have a video coming soon on the best practices for attaching your bump stop, but for this install, wait until you have the bar aimed and tighten the set of bolts using 13mm wrenches. After wiring it all up, you're all done. Congrats on your new light bar, and thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. See you on the next one, and remember to adventure further.